I'm Abhinav. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Peoplebox.ai. Now, actually, you're asking somebody who actually does that for a living. We are an AI and HR platform.
Yes.
We are, to just explain, we are building the world's most human-like AI for all talent.
Yes.
From sourcing to talent management, from onboarding to performance management. So that's what I do. And this obviously, this is the topic which is closest to our heart. That's what we do day in, day out. I think if there is one place, among all the things which is going to have a huge impact, is going to be HR, and especially in HR recruitment. The reason for that is that if you think about sales, right? In sales or even in marketing, a lot of the conversations are very unilateral. It's happen like I have to sell something. I'll do discovery. I'll go and sell it. Talent is one place where so many different kind of conversations happen. A sourcing call is different from a pre-screening call. A first-round interview is different. Onboarding conversation is different. Assessments, check-ins, exit interviews, and a lot of them require a deep, meaningful, and high-touch conversation, which also requires decision-making. Goals, responsibility, even to a promotion is going to go and happen a lot through AI. So we are in for a very interesting world.
Yes.
Engaging employees and truly understanding their problem in a very deeper way is a hard bit. If you ask anybody why did you get into HR, majority of the time you'll hear that we are people person. We like to work with people, and one is of course the admin work, and then working with people and going deeper into understanding their challenges is hard. That's one place where I believe that even with a lot of these workflows and system of record and engagement tools, that problem is not solved. And yes, that's probably one place where AI will find it harder to solve as well. HRBP is one role which I believe it's going to get enhanced a lot. And a large part of their work goes into things that, do not create a very meaningful, engagement or a high ENPS. If you think about it, right? AI can reduce their admin work and tell them who are the right employees that you should talk with, who really need HR help.
Thank you so much for such an amazing interaction. So we're really grateful to have you.
Thank you. Thanks for
Thank
having
you.
me.